affiliated by Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. Good morning, all the students of class BSc SY, subject Zoology, semester 3rd, paper number 7th, name of the paper Comparative Anatomy and Physiology, unit number 2nd, second topic nutrition. Today's topic is the digestion, in this that is nutrition. Digestion of carbohydrate, proteins, fats. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, student, what is mean by digestion? Anybody know what is mean by digestion? Then generally, digestion is a process in which complex food material is converted into the simple food material. Generally, digestion process is a very important process occur in the living beings. Generally, in the simple way, that is the digestion means complex food material is converted into the simple food material. With the help of the alimentary canal, this process is called digestion. So generally, the digestion is the very important process occur in the living organism. A food material taken into alimentary canal under a complicated process which convert the complex and insoluble food material into the simple and soluble food material. This process is called digestion. Also, digestion process is called, that is, complex and insoluble food material is converted into the simple and soluble food material. It is also called the digestion. Digestion is defined as the process that involves physical or chemical factor which break down the insoluble complex food material into the soluble simple food material. That is also the different author, different scientists, they say the different definition of digestion. Also, digestion is defined as the process that involve physical and chemical process, in which that is the breakdown of insoluble complex food material into the soluble simple food material. Generally, this digestion process, the carbohydrate is converted into the glucose molecule, protein are converted into the amino acid, and lipids are converted into the fatty acid and glycerol. So generally, in the digestion process, that is, the food is made of the different content like the carbohydrate, like the protein, like the fats. That is also in the digestion process, they are converted into the different way. That is, carbohydrate is converted into the glucose, protein is converted into amino acid, and fat is converted into the fatty acid and glycerol. So generally, the types of digestion. These digestion process are classified into the two types depending upon the site where the digestion process completed. This type is called extracellular digestion and intracellular digestion. So generally, digestion process is involved into the site. There are the two types, intracellular digestion and extracellular digestion. First is the intracellular digestion. Also, giving the definition also, when the digestion takes place inside the cell is called as intracellular digestion. Intra means in. So that is intracellular digestion, means the digestion process they are completed inside the cell is called intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion mostly occurs in the primitive Animals like the protozoan, sponges, Coelenterata, etc. Extracellular digestion. When the digestion takes place outside the cell is called extracellular digestion. That is the digestion process. When the digestion process they are completed outside the cell is called extracellular digestion. So generally animals provided with an alimentary canal exhibit as extracellular digestion. Here such types of digestion occurs inside the lumen of intestine of alimentary canal. The digestion involves the two process namely called physical process and chemical process. That is also physical process and the chemical process. One by one we see that is this process. That is the first. Physical process and chemical process. The generally physical process is also called as mechanical process in which the digestion comprises liquefying of the food by the digestive juices. Mastication, swallowing and other after onward movement though the tract by peristalsis, that is also called the movement occur to this food material mixed with the HCl. Gastric juice simultaneously occur in the chemical process takes place. It is a spherical number of muscular condition by which the food bowels is carried on the esophagus, then into the stomach, small intestine and last in the terminal part of alimentary canal. The peristalsis may be defined as a wave of muscular contraction preceded by the wave of revocation which causes the contents of a hollow tube to be passed onward. The circular muscles of the digestive tube immediately behind the contract and those direct in front of it relax. This results in the bowels being forced into the relaxed portion. The contraction muscles follows close behind the bowels and further relaxation occur in front of it. Thus the bowels of food particle passes streamly forward. Generally this physical process. Physical process in this, or it is also called chemical process of digestion, is brought about by the movement of alimentary canal include the mastication, swallowing, gastric motility. So generally the physical process, it is also called the mechanical process. It is from the movement of alimentary canal include mastication, swallowing, gastric motility. Motility of small intestine, motility of large intestine. First process, that is called mastication. Mastication, it is a physical process of digestion in which breakdown of food into the smaller particle is brought about by the action of teeth, though the movement of jaws. Jaw move vertical side to the side and anterior posteriorly. This help in cutting off, crushing their bowels. Small portions are collected and made into the spherical bowl called a bolus. Bolus is a push backward for swallowing After the mastication, the food is carried to the stomach. This process is called swallowing. Then next process is the gastric motility. It is also one of the factor which bring about cream-like food substance by the action of circular and longitudinal muscles of stomach. Then motility of small intestine. It is one of the physical factor which involve in the digestion. Motility of small intestine. It is one of the physical factor which involve in the digestion. Motility of large intestine. After the digestion, undigested food material digested by motility of large intestine. So generally in the physical process, they also consist by the process like the mastication, swallowing, then motility of gastric motility and motility of large intestine. This is called physical process. Next is the chemical process in the digestion. The chemical process of digestion refers to the treatment of food material with the enzyme. In this process include the certain enzymes secreted by the different region of alimentary canal and the digestive gland. Generally in the chemical process digestion they are completed with the help of the enzymes. These enzymes is secreted by the different region of alimentary canal and digestive gland. That is also pancreas and liver is the digestive gland. They having the capacity to secrete the different enzyme which is essential for the digestion process. Then this also, that is the first we see the carbohydrate.